What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Arjun. Now with this new series, I'm going to take your favorite junk food and I'm going to attempt to make it healthier. Now in today's menu, we're going to make a chicken sandwich. Sandwich we're making today is going to have 38 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat, and 49 grams of protein. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll show you how to make this SWOKynesian sauce. Only 47 calories compared to Chic Fil A's 110. For the ingredients, we're going to need Nature's Own butter buns, flour, garlic powder, MSG, black pepper, paprika, salt, baking powder, pickle juice, egg whites, and the star of our show, chicken breast. Now this brine that we're making for the chicken, this is going to be the cheat code that's going to make the chicken nice and juicy. So we're going to add all in one bowl, 2.5 cups of water, half a cup of pickle juice, a quarter cup of salt, and 1 teaspoon of MSG. Now we're going to go ahead and stir to combine and make sure there's nothing left at the bottom. So now we're going to take our lovely hands and we're going to beat our meat. That's right. We're going to make the chicken nice and flat so it'll cook quicker in the air fryer. After you're done beating your meat, we're going to go ahead and give it a nice little bath. But first, hey-ya! Give it a little slap for good luck, and let it go inside its bath. We're going to go ahead and let these rest in the fridge for 2 hours. That's right, 2 hours in the fridge. While we're waiting, we're going to get our dredge ready. We're going to do half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to whisk to combine. When I weighed the flour on its own, it ended up being about 100 grams. So what I'm going to do is measure the flour after I'm done breading to see how much actually is on the chicken itself. If you guys are liking the video so far, go ahead and leave a like. Leaving a like will let the YouTube algorithm know that this video is actually good and it'll promote it to other people. Going back to the video, we're going to go ahead and pat our chicken dry before we go ahead and dunk them in our egg whites and dredge. We're going to go ahead and set up our station. We're going to do egg whites, dredge, and then we're good to go. So we're going to take our chicken, dunk it in the egg whites. I'm going to go ahead and take some flour, put it all in there. We're going to go ahead and pat it in and we'll be good. Before we put these bad boys in the air fryer, we're going to go ahead and shoot them with a little bit of Pam spray. Make sure you get both sides and put a nice little light spray on them so you can get a nice even coating. We're also going to spray a little bit inside our air fryer and we're going to set it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Make sure you preheat your air fryer for at least 5 minutes before throwing these bad boys in there. Since they're going in for about 14 minutes, we're going to flip them about halfway through so we can get some even cooking on both sides. We're also going to use the Pam on these buns as well. That's right, we're toasting our buns. If I ever catch you making a sandwich and you don't toast your buns, SWOK Poppy's coming after you. Just know that. Now just like the Avengers, it's time to assemble. We're going to go ahead and go bun, beautiful cooked chicken, amazingly tasting SWOKynesian sauce. Look at that. And it's so low in calories, you guys are going to love it. I swear. And top it all off with the bun. Let's go ahead and try this chicken sandwich. Way better than Chic Fil A. That's all I gotta say. Gee shit. I'm not saying just because I made it that it's so good, but that Polynesian sauce. Oh. I just can't stop eating it. So if you're ever craving Chic Fil A, this is a sandwich for you because this is as good, or honestly, it's probably better. It's better for you. That's for a fact. You have way more protein inside of it compared to all the fat inside a Chic Fil A sandwich. Honestly, the sandwich is better than Chic Fil A. Alright, there, I said it. Even my Polynesian sauce, the SWOKynesian, it's just, please try this and let me know. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, subscribe, ring that notification just so you know when the next video comes out, whether it's a recipe, workout, or anything like that. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Now for the sauce, you're going to need low-fat Cantalina French dressing, about a cup of that. You're going to need a quarter cup of honey. You're going to need about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and about 3 squirts of stevia. Whisk it all combined and you're all good to go.